Hey, this is Black Big C with his, I think, third video because I'm a retard and I forgot how to count. I haven't made a video in a quite long time, and I'm sorry about that. And this is a video about Modern Warfare 3.
He was wrong!
Yeah, I was wrong. You can jump, you can change your weapons. I'm sorry about that, but
Wrong.
but
Wrong.
but
He was wrong.
but the quick scoping
Right.
is kind of not that good.
It's way too easy.
Yes, it is way too easy, but it can't beat quick scoping in Black Ops. And the dude, whoever's watching this, who said you need to grow some balls, to your balls need to drop before you get the game. Thank you, cause you said he can't get it, but I can, so thank you very much. So my next video would be us playing Modern Warfare 3 or Black Ops. I don't care. So this is my fourth or third video because I'm a retard and I forgot to count. Bada bada bada. I mean yada. Yeah, I'm a retard. Okay, so